ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ubak polling do ubari menteri sarkar pe yakatna lariti bat kiwe pat kitna trekam habakin tho shpang kinong mi khmat kiwe mi sha surok ban pinsngo yakiman ha ka jaka ban ra sha ka yeng darbar thau an ke jila ulo ang ba ka jing sha Jied kum ki MLA kalong ban yo yakalar ban Kren ban Ïatai hapo ka yeng darbar habe Kren bakla pathai khubor ba polling do ulo ang ba ki Paidbah kla pin kubor sha ki MLA haman la ki constituency ki bala Jied kum balai po hajar nisan po hajar kinong thep vote nak benta uwe ukurtong da ka bakmi lentina u ban mi khmat yaki hapok yeng dorbar nak benta ki Paidbah shu ba pol ulong baki dekhot ki badan hakal yang persha ki longru ki dekhot ki badan kamha ha ki committee prepare ya ka bala thau da ka assembly.
The whole purpose of us having an elected house is to facilitate legislators to debate and take part in discussions. Now the electorate has given us a mandate in each of the constituencies whereby a constituency of say 30 to 50,000 voters would vote for a particular candidate expecting him to represent their interest in the house of the people. But if I were to take my electors with me to the streets repeatedly, then the whole point of having elections is defeated. Second is members of the opposition are also important members of various committees constituted by the State Assembly. Even the Public Accounts Committee, which is regarded as a mini assembly and an assembly which sits whenever the House does not sit, is headed by and chaired by a member of the opposition. Therefore, there is adequate room for the opposition to address all their issues within the four walls of the State Assembly and within the confines of the various committees constituted by the House.